Welcome, guys. I'll start screen share in 5 minutes. Okay, I will start screen share in 5 minutes. So share this link, share this information on your status. If you know everyone that is interested to know more about forex trading, just copy that link, okay, and share it on your status. Send it to them as a direct message. Tell them to join now. Tell them to join now. Okay, don't waste any more time. Just share the link, okay, on your status. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family. Come on, guys. Let's do this fast. Let's do this fast. Let's do this fast. Okay. If this is your first time, smash that like button and subscribe. So whenever we trade live or we go live, you'll be notified. Okay. So I will start screen share by 9 o'clock on the dot. I'll start screen share by 9 o'clock on the dot. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of Tenex Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right mentorship, and the right tools to be able to achieve success trading the digital market. Okay, so everyone should share the link, notify everyone on your status that we are live, that they should join us, that we are live, they should join us, share it with your friends who are interested to make money online, trading the financial markets and they want to earn dollars. Just share this link with them. Share this link with them. Okay? You can just compose a message. Hello, are you interested to learn how to make money online in dollars trading? Then join this meeting now. You copy the link and you send it along with that message. Okay? Share this link before we start screen share officially by 9 o'clock. So if this is your first time being on this live stream, how it usually goes is that I will break down the market forecast for the time period of 17th June to 21st June. And the forecast is not actually what the market will do. It's more like we are predicting, we're analyzing the market and saying that this is what we see the market might do. Due to that, we are good with analyzing the market and we are very good with our strategy. And we have studied the market trends, the market structure, and we're giving you the whole feedback of what we have been able to do with the analysis we have done so far. So I want you to as well partake. We're going to do the structure breakdown and then we're going to talk about the fundamentals. And to wrap up the meeting, we're going to do some business opportunity and giveaway. So stay to the end for the giveaway and you're going to enjoy every single part of this. So in about 20 minutes, 20 seconds, we're going to share screen and we start the market fundamental technical breakdown proper. Okay. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock now and I'm going to share my screen. Okay. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. Okay. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section before I continue. So once I receive Forex in the comment section, is a confirmation that one, you can hear me, and two, you can see my screen. So just type Forex in the comment section right now and we continue from there. If you can see my screen, type Forex in the comment section. If you can see the screen, type Forex in the comment section. If you can see the screen, type Forex in the comment section. If you can see the screen, type Forex in the comment section. If you can see the screen, type Forex in the comment section. If you can see the screen, type Forex on the comment section. Hello, Matthias Moneke. Welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. If you can see the screen, type Forex on the comment section and we'll continue from there. Just comment Forex. Okay. Chukwuka Ezugu sent Forex so he can see the screen. So we continue from there. So currently, we start first of all with DXY, the strength of the dollar. And for DXY, what can we currently see? I see that the market has a strong resistance over here. The market has a very strong resistance over here. And from this resistance, the market pushed down, came back up towards resistance, touched that resistance again, which also is supply zone, and pushed down, created this low, which is lower than this low, okay, and then pushed back up, push down, push back up, and push lower. Okay, so after creating this double top here, you push lower, which is lower than this previous low, and this low is lower than this previous low. So it's more like a down trend channel. So over here, when the market pushed up, it broke this high and broke this high, which is a break of structure. Okay, and after that, it created what it came back to retest and then push more higher, which is the strength of dollar. So dollar went up higher from this point over here. Okay, and the demand zone it created it was this large candle. This large big candle is the demand zone that was created. So currently we see dollar within a supply zone, which has what the market has tested before and pushed down. So there is massive sell volume over here that make the market go down, and also over here there is massive sell volume over here that make the market go down. So based on probability, we trade supply and demand. Literally every trader, even the banks, even the hedge funds, retail traders, SMC traders, everybody trades demand and supply with unique languages and insight to market data. Okay, so over here we have supply over here, and due to this supply area, this supply area, we have seen markets come over here and sell. We have seen markets come over here and sell again. So it's a supply. So there is chances that we will expect market to sell from here too and get to this our demand zone, because we have this large red candle, which is the demand zone. The demand zone is more like support zone where we will start looking for buy setups. But for where the market is right now, we're more interested to see sell setups for dollar. So we are selling dollar. Okay, we're selling dollar. So Chukwuka Izuku said, but the signal is very slow here. So sorry about that. It's raining currently. It's raining currently over here where I am in Enugu. Okay, So probably it's because of the weather condition that the signal is slow in your area. So try as much as possible to change positions or change network provider. Like from Airtel, you can switch to Glow, or from Glow you can switch to Nine Mobile, whatever. Okay. So that's it for DXY. We're expecting dollar to sell for this week. So we're anticipating sales for dollar this week. So if we're anticipating sales for dollar this week, for major currencies which are trading against the dollar, whereby dollar is the goat currency, okay, we'll be buying those major currencies like Euro, USD. So for Euro, USD, which is about 90% to 80%, 80 to 90% correlated with the dollar, which means that if the dollar is going up, Euro USD will be going down. If the dollar is going down, Euro USD will be going what? Up. On Euro USD, we spotted a demand zone, okay, a very large demand zone. And from this demand zone over here, the market has been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and a higher high. So this is the origin of this demand push. This is the origin. So I'm anticipating market to still go back towards this origin. Okay, this is what I see for Euro USD. I expect market to still from this point to go back towards this origin, take liquidity from this low. It's going to take liquidity from this low. Then after it fills this origin, it's now start going to create buy sell. So this is what I see for Euro USD this week. Okay, but for the start of the week, I'm not going to start buying immediately. No, I'm going to wait for market to take liquidity over below this low. Okay, if the market starts buying from here, no worries. Okay, I'm going to look for other pairs that would not be very complex, and it's going to follow market structure as expected. Okay, because opportunity is always in the market. You just need to be able to come to the market and analyze the market, see the opportunity, apply proper risk management, and then place the trade. Then practice good market psychology or trading psychology. I'm going to share with you guys some of the trading psychology I practice. I'm going to give it to you guys, and I want you to recite those market psychology whenever you place a trade. Okay? And I'm going to tell you why you need to recite those psychologies when you place a trade. So stay to the end. I'll give that as a tip before we go into the trading week. So over here is where we have the origin of the massive push to the upside for Euro USD. From here, that's the major demand. Okay, correction, impulse, complex correction, then under impulse. Then the market started creating what lower lows. Okay, lower lows, and then came back into his demand. We need to come back into his demand. We need the market to come back into this demand before we start looking for any buy setup. Okay, so I'm not looking for the buy setups now until it taps into that demand and then gives us a rejection. Then we start looking for the buy setups. I hope that's clear for Euro USD. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Okay, so AUD USD. Okay, so for AUD USD, the structure in AUD USD is really not complex. AUD USD is one of the few currencies that has set itself up properly for the week we're about to dive into. It has set itself up properly. As I'm speaking to you, AUD USD is inside a demand zone. Okay, AUD USD is inside a demand zone. This is the origin of the massive spike we saw last week. Okay, this is the origin of the massive spike to the upside, and it went into this supply zone. It went into this supply zone. So from this supply zone on AUD USD, we can now drop, which is what I saw. From this supply on AUD USD, we can now anticipate a drop. Okay, and this drop came with the interest rate decision. Okay, this interest rate decision. This spike to the upside was created by the inflation data, the CPI data, whereby inflation was below forecast. Okay, then this drop came from the CPI, and then the week ended with with this drop, which is more like a corrective structure. So from here now, AUD is inside the demand zone, and if I see any buy setups on AUD, I'm likely to take AUD for the buy setups because the DXY does not really control the AUD unlike the way it controls Euro USD. DXY can manipulate Euro USD very fast. Okay, if DXY is reacting now, Euro USD will react massively. If DXY starts selling fast, Euro USD will also be buying fast. But if DXY is selling fast, it doesn't affect AUD. It is not 80% correlated like Euro USD. It is about 40% correlated with AUD USD. Okay, DXY is 40% correlated with AUD USD. So if I see a buy setups for AUD USD, I'm likely to take a buy setups for AUD USD on like Euro USD. Okay, which is highly correlated. Okay, so I have a I have someone sending a question. Michael asks, what time frame is it on this ADUSD? Okay, if you look up here, it's 4 hours time frame. You see, it's highlighted 4 hours. You see, that's one blue. Also, for over here, you can see where it says 4 hours, and it clicks says change interval. I don't want to change it, so it's 4 hours. I'm analyzing the market on 4 hours. I am an intraday trader. I analyze the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame, and I take my trades on 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm an intraday trader, which means I hold a trade for a day or two. So with that said, that's it for AD USD. Then the next is major currencies only. We're focused on major currencies: GBP USD, GBP USD. Okay, so for GBP USD, it's not complex unlike Euro USD. But for GBP USD, this is the demand zone, and from this demand zone, you can see the market was creating buy structures: swing high, swing low, swing low, another swing high. This swing high was higher than this high, then swing low and swing high. So it is clearly a massive bullish structure. So there was liquidity lying here that the market missed out on, and that is what GPUSD now is coming back to pick. Okay, once it picks it up within this demand zone, we can now anticipate another what swing high from this area for GBP USD, because this bullish structure is still intact. But I can see also this liquidity was taken. Okay, this liquidity was taken. This liquidity, this low was taken. This low was taken. Okay, so there is high chances that all this liquidity that was taken here, once the market comes over here and goes deeper to fulfill efficiency, it's just wicked in. Okay, so there's still chances that the market from this area now would still go back and take liquidity from this low for GPUSD supply zone. So this is what I see for GBP USD mainly. Okay, because this liquidity has been taken. Okay, this liquidity has been taken. This liquidity also was taken last week after the interest rate decision was announced. That was when these liquidities were the drop on GPUSD started. Okay, that's when the drop on GPUSD started. So from that drop now, I can anticipate that a GPUSD will come and take this liquidity, take this liquidity, take this liquidity, and then from there you can now start buying to the upside. Okay, so there is still high chances that there will be one more drop to the downside before we push to the upside, and the drop to the downside is more like going to create the wick. You know, a candle has a body and a wick. A candle like this, a bullish candle like this, has a body and a wick. So for the weekly candle, that drop to the downside is going to be created by this wick. Okay, on the weekly candle, this drop over here. Okay, this drop over here on weekly. I'm talking about weekly candle. Okay, so this drop down here is what I'm anticipating that it will be created when the market goes to the downside from when the market opens by 10. So the drop to the downside towards this demand zone is going to create this weekly wick. Okay, and then we move to the upside. So this week mainly is going to be a bullish week for GPUs. So if you find your buy setups when the market dips into this demand, you can hold it up for for the week run. Okay, if you're more like a swing trader, you can swing it for the whole week. Okay, but we're just going to be watching out for the setup, and if you see the setup, then we'll share with you. Okay, so Michael, you're welcome. You're welcome. Like I said, you are analyzing on 4 hours time frame. You're welcome. We're analyzing on 4 hours time frame. And one of you guys' favorite pair, XAUUSD. I know. Where are my fans? My XAUUSD fans, gold fans. Where are you guys? Gold fans. Where are you guys? Where are you? Where are you? If you're here, type gold on the comment section. Where you guys that like to trade gold with small accounts and blow your accounts within minutes trading gold. Okay, so anyone? Okay, so for gold, the structure is quite complex. On gold, we have this reoptimization zone. It's a reoptimization zone. This is meant to be a demand zone, and it was broken. Okay, this demand zone, which was meant to resist the market. This is what I mean. The market started pushing to the upside from this low. Okay, so a normal bullish structure is meant to come back, create this low, and then go higher. Okay, so that's what we are taught. Okay, but in a situation whereby the market pushed from this low over here and then comes back down here, okay, and then the market went back into this demand zone that was meant to be into this zone that was meant to be demand and test it as supply. We call it area optimization zone, and that's when the market respected it and pushed to the downside. Do you get it? Okay, so that reoptimization zone now, we have a supply box over there, a supply order block over there. So from this supply order block now, I'm anticipating gold to sell more like a corrective structure. This sell structure is what we are expecting on Friday. A lot of us were expecting for gold to sell on Friday. I know my friend Joe Bell in the WhatsApp group chat, he sent his signal that we should sell gold, but gold never sold massively because the week was wrapping up on Friday. I literally don't like trading much on Friday and on Mondays. I like to trade more Tuesdays to Thursdays, okay? But with that said, for me and now, gold, I'm expecting gold to sell to the downside, okay? Gold to sell to the downside. After the sell to the downside, you can now anticipate for a push to the upside. Why am I anticipating a sell on gold? Why I'm anticipating a sell on gold is because of this reoptimization zone. Okay. Why I'm anticipating a sell on gold is because of this reoptimization zone. It has resisted the market before from pushing higher and sold. So there's high chances that it's also going to resist the market again over here from pushing higher and sell towards this demand zone. There is liquidity lying over here. So this is what I see gold doing for this week. Coming over here, tapping into this zone, then creating this high to go towards this. Okay, so for the start of the week, we're expecting sell. Reverse can be the case. Okay, the week can start up and gold will just continue pushing to the upside. Okay, reverse can be the case. The week can start up and gold can just push the upside, break this high over here. Okay, to break this is what I mean. You could just start off with the week, break this high, and continue pushing higher. So that's the two scenarios I see because this is a reoptimization zone. Okay, so that's what I see for gold. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, the next on the list is BTC USDT. BTC USDT, the people's money. Okay, so I analyze BTC USDT very well. It's ready to sell. Okay, so I'm anticipating a sell on BTC, and it's already tapped into my zone. Oh my god, wow! It's already tapped into my zone. Okay, so I already analyzed this. So from BTC now, I'm expecting a sell. There is a demand zone I'm expecting to get to. Let me show you the demand zone, which is more like a reoptimization zone over here. So BTC already gave us the sell setup, and that stacked in perfectly. Man, I think it's going to give us another entry. I don't know where my eyes was. Tapped in smoothly into this order block, and for me now I'm splitting sells on Bitcoin. If it moves up for you guys on this call, let me drop the signal for you guys. Let me drop the signals for you guys, okay? So the signal for Bitcoin right now, I'll drop it. Sell Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. Entry is let me mark out the entry. This is meant to be the entry. So in case the market moves back up, I will take it again. I'll take the trade. Okay, okay, 66 760. Stop loss is 67. Is that 377? 377, and take profit is 64295. Okay. So guys, don't sleep on that. Don't sleep on that. It took time for me to analyze this market, and that's for crypto. We trade both crypto and we trade both forex. We trade crypto and forex. Okay. So literally, this is what I see for Bitcoin, because the market has been creating massive bearish structure, creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so with that, I anticipate Bitcoin to still drop and head towards this reoptimization zone, which is a resistance zone before. If it breaks that reoptimization zone, then we are going even lower towards 61,500 mark. Okay, so there's a massive possibility of more sales. Okay, so that's what I see currently for Bitcoin, and I'm glad it has tapped into my zone while we're on this call. I'll monitor it closely as soon as this live stream ends, and if I see the opportunity, I'm going to sell again. Okay, so not to miss out on any of our signals, you can join us on Telegram. The link is on the description. You can also join us on WhatsApp. The link is on the description. Okay, and stay updated with our signals. Okay, so that's it for the technicals. Any questions before we dive into the next segment? Any questions? Okay, so let's dive into the fundamentals. I don't want to waste any time at all. Time is so precious. We used 29 minutes to cover the technicals. We're going to use about 10 minutes to cover up the fundamentals, and then we will dive into the giveaway for tonight. Okay. Then to start off the week on Monday, we have the New York Empire State Manufacturing PMI. This is happening by 1:30 tomorrow, and it's a United States news. It's going to affect the dollar. So over here we have consensus is -13, and previous is -15.6. Okay, it has to do with Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay, so if we see a figure higher than -13, it is good for dollar. If we see a figure lower than -13, it is bad for dollar. Okay, when I say figure higher than -13, I mean like we see -12, -10, -9. It means that the index is increasing, okay, in value. But if we see like -14, -15.2, it is bad for the index, okay? So let's watch out for that. And if it is good for dollar, then we expect Euro USD to sell like we anticipated, but if it is bad for dollar, we expect AUD USD to buy like we anticipated. Wow. On Tuesday morning, yes, now I see. On Tuesday morning by 5:30, we have AUD interest rate decision. Very, very fantastic. Very, very fantastic. So interest rate decision is one of those news I love to trade. So we're focusing very well on AUD pairs, okay, mainly AUD USD, and that's why I think we can anticipate a sell on AUD USD, okay. But if the sentiment says that they are likely going to cut interest rates, or if they cut interest rates, we can anticipate a buy on AUD USD, okay. But if interest rate remains unchanged, okay, we can anticipate a sell on AUD USD, okay. If interest rate remains unchanged, because based on data, the interest rate decision, when it remains unchanged, makes the currency that it is unchanged weak. But if it is changed, okay, like cut, like the first week of the month, this month of June, euro cut its interest rate and the euro was strong, okay, against every other currency. But the strength was not everlasting, it was just a manipulation strength. In actual sense, it was meant to be weak. Okay, like Swiss franc, when they cut the interest rate, the currency was weak for about a week plus. CAD, when they cut their interest rate, they were weak for about 3 days. Okay, so if interest rate is cut on AUD, then the AUD will be weak. If interest rate is not changed, AUD will still be weak. Okay, so that's it. But whenever it buys, there is a manipulation involved that makes it buy. Then on Tuesday as well, we have CPI for euro. Okay, CPI inflation. So CPI indicates inflation. If we see a figure higher than 126.32, then euro will be strong on Tuesday morning. But if we see a figure lower than 126.32, then euro USD will be weak. We will likely trade live on Tuesday morning. Okay, the London session. So if you don't want to miss out on that opportunity, join our WhatsApp community, join our Telegram community. The link is on the description. Don't give yourself that excuse. If you don't have data, don't give yourself that excuse. You don't have WhatsApp, or don't give yourself that excuse. Your WhatsApp is not updated. People can create silly excuses not to achieve their goals or not to get the right things done. Okay, so this is the thing here. CPI for euro. Okay, if we say if you go higher than 126.32, then good, euro will be strong against every other pair. Then we have economic sentiment index for euro. Okay, so if we say if you go higher than 50, then euro will be strong as well. Then during New York session, when we have the Titan dollar, we have retail sales coming in by 130, very hot, higher than 2.8%, higher than 0.2%, and higher than 0.3%. It is good for dollar. But if you see a retail sales figure that is lower than zero, lower than 2.8%, lower than 0.2%, and lower than 0.3%, it is bad for the dollar. Then on Wednesday, we have balance of trade for Asian session, Japanese yen, balance of trade. So this balance of trade now, it has to do with total imports minus total exports. If you see a figure higher than 1,313.7 billion yen, then Japanese yen will be strong. But if you see a figure lower than 1,313.7 billion yen, Japanese yen will be weak. Then early in the morning, 7 a.m., Great Britain pound, we have inflation rate year over year. Inflation rate year over year. And it's a very, very important data. It has to do with the inflation in the current in the Great Britain pound currency unit. Okay, and inflation has to do with the rises of products, rise of services, the rise of goods. Okay, so if there is an increase in inflation, Great Britain pound will be strong. But if there is a decrease of inflation, Great Britain pound will be weak. Then on Thursday, we have one of the hot news. We have Swiss interest rate decision, which could remain unchanged, and if that happens, Swiss franc could be weak. Then on Thursday, we have Bank of England interest rate decision, which could be cut. If that happens, there could be a manipulation on this particular news. But if it remains unchanged, Great Britain pound will be weak. Then, uh, during the New York session, during the New York session, we have initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims, 4-week average, and building permits for the dollar. And for the initial jobless claims is the main one we focus on. Every other one is a derivative. Initial jobless claims, they're saying that jobless claims will reduce by 240k, and over here the previous data was 242k. If that actual news is lower than 240k, dollar will be strong. But if the actual news is higher than 240k, dollar will be weak. Okay. Then on Friday we have Judo Bank Service PMI, we have Judo Bank Manufacturing PMI. So likely if we see a figure higher than 53, okay, Australian dollar will be strong. But if we see a figure lower than 53, Australian dollar will be weak. Then to wrap up the week, Asian session, we have inflation rates for Japanese yen. New York session, sorry, London session, we have retail sales for Great Britain pound, which means that any figure we see that is higher than 1.6, minus 1.3, 2.3, and minus 1 for New York, London session, 7 o'clock. The news is coming out together, okay? If we see figures higher, it is good for Great Britain pound. If you see figures lower, it is bad for Great Britain pounds, okay? So service PMI, manufacturing PMI for Euro as well is coming in hot that morning, New York, London session. Okay, so the same explanation with retail sales goes with service PMI and manufacturing PMI. We need figures that are higher than the consensus. If we see figures that are higher than the consensus, the relative pair will be strong. But if we see figures lower than the consensus, the relative pair will be weak. Then retail sales, I've explained retail sales already, and then the global manufacturing PMI for dollar. There's a lot of news on Friday though, but my main interest is to trade on Tuesday and on Thursday. Okay, so that we line in on Tuesday and Thursday. So you guys shouldn't miss our live training session on Tuesday morning New York session, London session, and then live training session on Thursday New York session. We'll be trading New York session on Thursday and trading London session on Tuesday. So you guys should get ready, get ready, get ready. So for the giveaway, I'll be sharing my screen. Okay. Okay, so can everyone see my screen? Okay, good. So this is I want to welcome you to our business plan presentation, Next Digital Lane business plan presentation. I want you to watch to the end because we have some giveaways for those who stay to the end, and I promise we will be done exactly by 10 o'clock. Okay, I am trying to minimize uh, the time wastage and maximize the value I offer to you. Okay, so Tennis Digital Asset Limited is a registered private company limited by shares. We are committed to engage in the business of providing technical skills. That's our business. We are registered and we provide technical skills. Why we provide technical skills is because we believe that money, okay, is attracted when you have value to offer. If you can solve a billionaire's problem, you can earn millions. If you can solve a millionaire's problem, you can earn thousands. For instance, let me give you an instance. Elon Musk wanted to travel on a trip, and I read this in the news. And when he got to the airport, his private jet was not fully maintained. Okay, it was not ready to take off. At that point in time, he needed an urgent private jet. There was a rental private jet company that offers services to clients who urgently needs jets. The owner of that private jet company who rents private jets, okay, they don't sell, they just rent, okay, was able to coop in that urgency. From that urgency was his opportunity to make money. He offered a service, he offered a skill, okay, and he made money. So we believe that if you can develop skills, technical skills, you can be able to offer these services to clients, local and international, and be able to develop the mindset to make money with these skills. Okay, so we offer business development services and operating all manner of retail and distribution of general consumer goods. So we are currently into retail and distribution of general consumer goods, and the general consumer goods we are going into has to do with health products. We'll be launching our business shortly in the retail and distribution of health consumer goods, which is going to help build individuals who are practicing these technical skills, not just to have these skills, but also to be healthy, to be able to what enjoy their wealth. Okay, so that is the operation we're currently expanding towards right now, and we'll be launching that area of our business very soon. So I don't want you guys to lack, or I don't want you guys to slack on that opportunity. It's going to be packed with a lot of money making opportunities when we launch this retail and distribution of our general consumer goods. It is health beneficial products for you. Okay, so we want to spread opportunities to every person in all communities. So join us today and succeed with us. We are spreading this community. You now watching this, you probably in one part of Nigeria, or you heard from us with our Facebook advertisement, or from our Instagram page, or from our website. You joined our community, you're getting this content. We are trying to reach everyone in every part of the world, because our platform is digital and it can reach anybody in any part of the world. So these are our certificates of registration. On the left is CAC, and it is registered as 10x Digital Asset Limited, and on the right is the SICROM, okay, which is 10x Digital Asset Limited, offered to us by the Special Control Unit (EFCC) here in West Africa, Nigeria, which enables us to carry out transactions swiftly and also monitor our operations swiftly. Okay, so on the left side is the Corporate Affairs Commission, whereby we are registered as a limited liability company. Okay, so about the author of myself, before we dive into the business plan presentation, let me introduce myself. I am Anthony Phillips Njoku. I am an experienced and passionate businessman. I'm a digital trader and a real estate investor. More than that, I am your mentor, committed to guiding you through the intricate world of earning extra income online in multiple streams. Remember that I am committed to guiding you through the intricate world. When that word, you listen at that intricate world, it is challenging. It is not that easy. Okay, it is an intricate world. It's a complex world of earning online. People, you can see advertisements, people show off and they're earning, but it's not that easy. It is hard, and I'm going to guide you through the process. So I'm here to ensure you not only understand but master the formula that leads to success. Okay, so over here on the left is my certificate of achievement from Stephen Akintayo University. Okay, that's where I studied about real estate, and also I have a business certificate from them. On the right hand side is the certificate I got for my real estate masterclass, and I was able to pass this class successfully. So this is not just all about me. Over here is my certificate that shows that I'm a trader as well. On the left hand side is my Forex fund company account management certificate. This was the first fund I ever got as a trader, and it was $5,000 account. The date there, my name is there, and the certificate is authentic. On the right hand side is Consummate Trader, who is part of those companies I have worked for. Consummate Trader is a Nigerian based prop firm. They are still operational, and I got funding from them back in 2023, and it was a good experience. I was able to make withdrawals, was able to make good money from those companies, and I'm still trading. I'm trading for different companies right now in Canada and Dubai and so on and so forth. So these are my goals and the goals of the company: to elevate financial well-being globally, and financial well-being is be able to live the life that you love. Okay, to enlighten people with knowledge and skills to better their lives. Okay, you having money but not having the knowledge and skills to better your life or handle this wealth is waste of wealth. Okay, because one thing I learned from my mentor is that they have good money and bad money. Good money is money that when it gets into the hands of people, they use that money to touch other people's life. Okay, offer charity, offer empowerment, offer scholarship. This is good money. And we have bad money. There are people that when they have money, they have millions, they have thousands. What do? They buy drugs, okay? They harm people, kidnap people, murder people. This is bad money. Okay, so we are also teaching you the knowledge and the skills to better your lives and be able to handle your financial well-being very well. So we also encourage savings with genuine returns. We encourage savings with genuine returns. That's why we're offering copy trading services in our platform. These are some of the products we offer. You already know forex trading. We offer mentorship. We offer signal services whereby you can know when to buy and sell the market. We offer account management services. If you have an account you don't want to trade for yourself, okay, you can give it to us. We manage the account. If you make profit, we split the profit. You keep 55% of the profit, we keep 45% of the profit, okay. Then we also offer cryptocurrency, okay. Cryptocurrency, we offer mentorship in our cryptocurrency. We have a website where we offer this mentorship in our cryptocurrency. We offer copy trading services whereby you copy our trades. Then we offer portfolio building whereby we list out a coins list of coins you buy and add it into your wallet, and as these coins appreciate in value, you make good money. Okay, so with that said, we have our real estate rental property investment. We get properties and we list them on the market as short lets, whereby guests comes in from different part of the world. If you're in Lagos, if you're in Abuja, if you're in Enugu, Port Harcourt, Anambra, we have properties there listed on our platform. If you're ready to list, you just process the payment, you go to the property, you stay like if you're in your home. You can cook. Okay, we have provision for you to cook. Unlike hotels, you can't cook in hotels. Okay, and then you pay like if you're in a hotel. You're not paying like if you rented the place for a year or for a month, or you understand, but you pay like if you're in a hotel. So it's more like short let property business, and we have partnered with different companies, or partnered with different individuals to be able to offer these services to you successfully. So over here is land banking. We offer land banking as well, whereby we provide you hectares of land from genuine land sources and genuine documentations. You can buy if you're in Enugu, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. We have good lands that you can buy and secure. Even if you want to buy lands but you don't have the money in bulk, you want to buy a plot of land, you want to be a landowner, and you want to be paying 400 naira daily. Yes, you're a Nigerian, you understand what I'm saying. You want to be paying 400 naira daily. You can start today. If you're interested, reach out to me. Ask me, Anthony, you said that if I want to be a bank, a landowner, and I don't have the money in bulk to buy land now. A plot of land can be 400,000 naira. A plot of land now can be 500,000 naira, 800,000 naira, 1.2 million naira. But you don't have this money in bulk. You want to be paying daily. You want every day when you make 400 naira, you pay. If you make 500 naira, you pay. If you make 600 naira, you pay. 800 naira, you pay. You can start it today. Okay, reach out to me, tell me, Anthony, I'm interested, I want to buy lands, I want to buy an acre, I want to buy a hectare, I want to buy a plot, 2 plots. Okay, we'll show you the full steps to take. We'll show you proof that it works, and then we'll show you the duration it will take for you to complete your land payments. Even if when you're paying 500 naira every day and you get the money in bulk, you probably hit one good contract, you get the money in bulk, you can just pay it once and then get your certificate. Okay, so that's it. Then we offer AI technology education. We teach you how to use AI to create apps and web. We also teach you how to use AI to generate graphic work, and also teach you how to use AI to create content to sell. Okay, this is mindset, types of mindset. We have growth mindset, we have fixed mindset, and it is very, very important for you to know the type of mindset you have. The school system we go to program us to have fixed mindset, and the way the fixed mindset work is, I'm either good at it or I'm not. You're either good in forex trading, you're either good in crypto trading, or you're not. And if you're not good in it, you don't even care to be good in it. If you're not good in a particular topic, if you're not good in building relationship, if you're not good in marketing your product, if you're not good in sales, if you're not good in negotiation, you don't even want to be good. You have set your mind that yes, I'm not good in it, I'm not good in it, and I cannot develop. So when I'm frustrated, I give up. When in the process of you being frustrated in a particular activity, a particular venture, you give up immediately. When things are not working out for you the way you want it to work out for you, you give up. That's how the fixed mindset is, and that's how our educational system program your mind. Our educational system programs your mind to be a fixed mindset, a mindset that wants safety, a mindset that wants guarantee, a mindset that wants assurance. But life is all about risk. You need to be a chameleon to survive in life. Life is not a fun fair, it's a warfare, whereby every day you have to challenge yourself, both body, mind, soul, and spirit, to be able to achieve what you need to achieve in life. Okay, so the fixed mindset says, I don't like to be challenged. You don't want to be challenged, but every day you have to be challenged. Before you achieve something great in life, there are challenges, there are obstacles. If you don't know it now. Before you achieve something very great in life, there must be obstacles. Me, every day, even before I get on this live stream now, I have challenges, but I'm not going to come here and start telling you about my challenges. I'll come here and tell you about my success, because that's what people see. But people don't see the obstacle, they don't see the loopholes, they don't see the setbacks you have passed through. Fixed mindset. Okay, so when I fail, I'm not good. Okay, when you fail as a fixed mindset, you're not good. They tell themselves, tell me I'm smart. They want people to always tell them you're smart, you're smart. They want people to be clapping for them, you're smart, you're good. If you succeed, I feel threatened. When people around them are succeeding, they feel bad, they feel threatened. My abilities determine everything. Their abilities determine everything in their life. But for a growth mindset, which is what I want you to start developing today, read the book Think and Grow Rich. Read the book Psychology of Money. These are the two books I'm recommending to you today. Think and Grow Rich, Psychology of Money. I read that book every three months, 4 times in a year. Think and Grow Rich, the way the wealthy people, the great founders of wealth, built their wealth, and Psychology of Money. The growth mindset says, I can learn anything I want to. If you have challenges in your relationship, learn how can you break it. If you have challenges in your business, learn how can I upgrade. If you have challenges in your health, learn how can I become better in my health. There is no problem you have in this life that you cannot overcome by learning. There are people who have become so perfect in a craft. They have written the way they achieve perfection in a book of 20 or 50 or 100 pages. Your job and your task is create time. Avoid going out to parties. Avoid wasting time with friends. Avoid sacrifice. The sacrifices you give to be able to be where you need to be in life. Okay? When I'm frustrated, I persevere. That's the growth mindset. When they're frustrated, they persevere to achieve success. I want to challenge myself. I want to challenge myself to break through and achieve a goal. They bring challenges that whenever they see it, they are afraid of it, but they set it on their face that I must overcome you. Nobody can set me back. That's the growth mindset. I'm not waiting for when everything is right. I challenge myself. In the process of you challenging yourself, you see yourself overcoming that level and stepping yourself into a whole new level of life. Challenge yourself. Wake up and read your goals yourself and be fearful of those goals. Even if you know that you cannot achieve it, set it that you have achieved it in your mind. You grow to achieve it. You grow to achieve it. When I fail, I learn. As an individual that has a growth mindset, when you fail, you ask yourself, what made me fail? Learn what made you fail. Correct what made you fail. And you learn. So you don't fail again. It's someone that is ignorant and that has a fixed mindset that doesn't learn from their failure. Tell me, I try harder. Tell me, I try harder. If you succeed, I'm inspired. When people around you that has a growth mindset is succeeding, you're inspired, you're happy. Because their success is your own success. The same steps they took is the same step you can take to achieve success, because you have experienced success and it truly works. My effort and attitude determines everything. My effort towards any project and attitude towards any plan or goal determines everything. You need to start developing your mind. Your mind is the major key to success, even in forex trading, even in your life, even in your business. Your mind starts from the mind. Poverty starts from the mind. You can see a man that doesn't even have up to 1,000 naira in his bank account, but with his mindset, he can generate up to 1,000,000 naira with his mindset. It starts from the mind. Wealth starts from the mind, and then it transcends into action, and then the wealth comes to you. You have to see it, believe it, and it comes to you. Visualize it, attract it, and it comes to you. Starts from the mind, the mind, the mind, the mind. Very, very important too. The mind. Can somebody comment? What do you see here? What do you see here? What do you see here? Someone should comment very quick. What do you see here? Someone should comment. What do you see here? I wish this was an audio session whereby you can talk. Somebody comment quick. What do you see here? First comment. Let me see. First comment. What do you see? Come on, I'm trying to wrap up by 10. We have 8 minutes to go, guys. I want to save you guys very precious time. Also give you guys the giveaway. So what do you see here? No comment, I skip. So the mindset. Chikwado Sala says mindset. Good. Mindset. What programs this your mind to have a growth mindset or a fixed mindset? What programs this your mind to have a growth mindset or a fixed mindset? First, Chikwado Sala says money is nowhere. Okay, you're correct. What I see from that is money is now here. Like I said, it all starts with the mind. Replay that video again. Rewind this video and see for yourself. I see money is now here. It's a word, it's together. People see differently. Money is now here. Based on the opportunity I'm sharing with you, money is now here. Okay, so for the growth mindset and for the fixed mindset, it has to do with the programming system. Things around you program you. Whatever you believe about Christianity, whatever you believe about money, whatever you believe about respecting your elders, whatever you believe about food, starts from your family. Your character self, your attitude self towards your environment starts from your family. Your family programs you about 60% of what you are now. 60% your family. 60%. If your family doesn't have a growth mindset, you would never have a growth mindset. If your family has a wealthy mindset, you have a wealthy mindset. If your family has a fixed mindset, you will always have a fixed mindset. If your family has a growth mindset, you have a growth mindset. The next thing that programs you is community, the environment you live. The environment you live, community, the environment you live, it programs you. It programs your mindset. The friends you keep. Me, to be honest, I don't have friends. I have mentors. Yes, I don't have friends. To be honest, I have mentors. Very, very important. I have mentors in relationship. People I can call whenever I have relationship issues. I have mentors in business. People I can call when I have business challenges. I have mentors in real estate. People I can look up to whenever I want to invest in real estate. I have mentors in my fitness. People that are there to make sure that I am fit and healthy. I have mentors. I have few friends, like friends, but I have great mentors, and those mentors are my friends because they are the ones that can give me the best guidance, the best mindset, the best programs, the best solutions to achieve the greatest ability and greatness upliftment I need in my life. Mentors. Those are my friends. Mentors. Because they want to see you succeed. Their mindset is they want to see you succeed. If you don't know it now. Anybody that you call a mentor, that person, as me now, I'm calling myself a mentor to you. My body, my soul, and my spirit wants to see you achieve success in forex trading. Because that's the way their mindset is programmed. Whatever they're saying to you, it is not a selfish act. It is not a selfish act. It is not their own personal interest. Mentors are there to give you advice that will make you feel better. Why? Because if you feel better and become better, you're going to still come back to them to keep them as a mentor. You're also going to come back to them and say, thank you for saving me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for setting me up. I do have friends, so I do have close friends, but most of them are mentors. That's what I'm trying to let you know. Next is educational system. Educational system is the most important thing that programs every children in life. Educational system. Educational system programs you to either be a fixed mindset. You want safety. You want a safety of the job, safety of a monthly salary, safety, safety, safety. But when you have a growth mindset, you are ready to take risk, calculated risk. When you go into a business, even if it doesn't work as planned, at least you made an attempt. At least you got results. At least you could improve your results to be able to be better tomorrow. Risk. That's life. Okay? That's growth. The world has changed from safety to risk. And you need to start changing your mindset so you can be able to adapt in that world of risk, taking risk, calculated risk. So, problem of lack of this growth mindset is you can see confusion. You're educated but you're unemployed. Scarcity and not being able to handle resources properly. So you watching this now, you might be confused. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? And I'm glad you're here today. What brought you here today is Forex market fundamental and technical breakdown. You need to learn a skill set, and build the right mindset to handle this skill set. And that's why 10x Digital Lane is here for you. Not just building the right mindset, there are some habits you need to develop as an entrepreneur, as a Forex trader, to be able to achieve your goals. And that is why you're here, to get this right skill set, this right mindset, psychology, and habits you need to build to achieve these goals. So we have different type of income. We have linear income, we have residual income. For the linear income, we have employment. Employment means you work 9 to 5, 8 hours per day, 5 days a week. They have a job. Self-employment is you're a doctor, engineer, lawyer, programmer. They own a job. A business owner is that you have a business system and people that works for them. Investor or investment is a shareholder or investor who owns investments and money that works for them in the company. So for you guys that are new to my program, these are our prices. We have the one month price, which is $49. We have the 3 months classes, which is $139.56. And then we have the 6 months classes, which is $264.06. And we have the 1 year classes, which is $470.04. This is an investment in yourself. It's an investment in yourself. This investment now is going to give you access to me, to be your mentor, have one-on-one interaction with you, one-on-one guidance, one-on-one support, one-on-one follow through to make sure you achieve success in your Forex trading. Make sure you achieve success in your entrepreneurship journey. Make sure you achieve success in your crypto trading. My full zeal, my full objective, my full goal is to see you succeed as a trader. So invest it is in yourself. The investment is for you to have access to me. That's the only thing that gives you access to me, to have one-on-one guidance and access to me to guide you, except from the educational aspect of it. Okay, these are some people that are taking the bold step to achieve their success by enrolling for this program. Okay, you see over here, and it's so to say, good morning, Tony. It's good to hear from you. I have long awaited this opportunity. I am convinced I will do great things with you. You will equally benefit from meeting me, and I assure you I will be a great student. He was a fantastic student. He invested in his knowledge, got the right program, applied the right skill sets, and be able to achieve success. Crypto trading, that's what he did. He built his portfolio. His portfolio now should be around 1,000% return on investment. He built it, he locked it. He's a businessman. He doesn't want to be always checking it. He just bought the coins and he left it. Okay, but right now, if he opens that wallet, his life would have changed to a whole new level. The next person here is Nneka. He says, knowing and having you as a mentor is the best thing that has happened to me so far. It's a choice, okay? Then over here is Messi Ebere. I'm still in contact with her. She's in Angola. He says, "Good day, Mr. Njokoma Kochukwu. Thanks very much for this advert you did on your WhatsApp status that made me to join and know how to trade and make double of my money on my coin. I thought it was a joke. Oh, it's good to follow advice of someone that know what he is doing on coin business. I will tell all my friends about this to join and make double of their coins. Thank you very much." And she did that. She made double of her coin in crypto trading. So this is my giveaway for you. You watching to this point, scan this QR code now if you're on your laptop watching this. If you're on your phone, screenshot it or visit this our website www.sendfox.com/tennis digital. On the left hand side is my real estate book. We give you a real estate guide on how you can make money through real estate by owning a property or without owning a property. You can make six figures like ₦1,000,000. Then on the right hand side you have how to become a passive income machine by following our copy trading system. Okay, grab this free book on our website today. Okay, and you can be able to get it on your email just by visiting this website again, sendfox.com/digital. Okay, so if this is our conclusion right now, I hope you got value. If you got value, type value on the comment section. If you got value, type value on the comment section. I'm not ending this live stream until you type value on the comment section. I know you got value. You got value. You watching this now, you got value. Type value on the comment section, okay? And I want you to sign up right now because procrastination is a thief of your time. For you guys that are new, the newbies here, those guys that just joined our group chat and you're watching this, I want you to join right now. Visit our website www.tennisdigital.com. You won't want to get at the end of your life and have nothing to show for it. Thank you, Michael. I really appreciate. So before we call this a wrap, I would like to uh, share a final. Man, like I said, you guys, let's practice proper psychology. Okay, I think this market has filled this zone, and the drop is not just you can sell. So the right psychology, like I told you guys, I'm going to share with you guys a tip. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys a tip. The right psychology whenever you place a trade in the market, okay, is this. This is a tip to enter the trading week. Whenever you place a trade for a buy over here, no, let me use sell scenario because I already told you guys to sell Bitcoin. Let me use a sell instead. Okay, so this is market now. You place a sell. Okay, Chukadu Sala said valid. He said valid. I thought it's valid. What to say? So when you place a sell and the market is in profit, what happens? You're happy. So that's how you feel, right? You're making money in the market. That's good. But what happens if the market goes to the south, goes to the stop loss level? What happens? Become so what? Hopeful. Please God. I know that this will reverse. It will reverse. You become hopeful. No, that's the wrong psychology. When the market goes to your stop loss area, you should become what? Fearful. You should become fearful. But what will give you confidence is that before you place a trade on a buy or a sell, you should have told yourself, no matter what the outcome of this trade is, I am ready to accept it. I'm ready to lose this money, this exact money. Okay? That's what you tell yourself. Then, if the market goes against you, you lose the money, fine. You did proper risk management because before you place a trade, you should do analyze the market, and then apply proper risk management. But if the market goes in your favor, and then all of a sudden you become so happy again, and it starts reducing the profit, you become fearful. No, don't be fearful. Become hopeful because the market is in profit, you're not in loss. Become hopeful. The market is in profit, you're not in loss. Okay? And what will make your hope to be solid is when you reanalyze the market. What am I seeing? What structure am I seeing? What news could push this market more down? What structure am I seeing? Is this market at a demand? Is it at a support? Is it at a demand? Is it at a support? Okay? Is this a downtrend? Is this an uptrend? You ask yourself these questions. Okay? And that will give you solid confidence, solid hope to hold on this trade to hit the final profit target. And that's what I see in this trade right now on Bitcoin USDT. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I appreciate your time. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, please do well to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate your effort. I love you all. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need any information, need any guidance, you need to sign up. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I wish you guys a profitable trading week. Peace.